What's happening, guys? Welcome to another day out with me, the Bassanator. I'm here this morning at the Outcasts Club Dam, and like usual, and I'm gonna be actually doing my secret tackle box challenge, or try and get this over and done with. I tried it at the club comp the other day, but it was not successful. So today I'm going to focus on trying to get all the baits and products in here fished and catch a fish on them. So got the frog, got the jig, got that yum kill bait, and then your drop shot hooks and drop shot weight. So let's see how it goes. I've also got the BWG split shots tungsten weight, which is a new weight. I don't know if you can see it through the packet. I'll show you now and see how that goes. Let's hope we can catch some good fish. Sweet, let's check it out. Okay, so bait number one, it's the Strike King Super Toad. So let's see if this will get me a fishy or two.
Eternity later.
So now, guys, I'm going to try that yum kill bait, and I'm going to try BWG's new 4 gram split shot tungsten weight. It's very cool. You can swap weights whenever you want. You pull that rubber out, take the line off, put another size, and then you just slide it back on like that, and ready to go with the Mojo style rig. Pretty cool. Let's see how it handles. Had a bite there, but I was sleeping, so that's no good. Let's try again. Here we go. Fish on. Numero uno. So, bait number one done. Let's see if I can get another one on the bait before swapping out. So all I'm using is a 12-pound fluorocarbon, and I'm using it on my Veritas 7-foot medium rod, and using the split shot tungsten weight from BWG in a Mojo rig style. So that's pretty cool. And this yum bait seems to attract the fish. It's actually only my second time fishing with this bait. I tried it at the Outcast Club comp the other day, and caught a few small ones, but didn't attract any of the bigger ones for some reason. But I think that day I didn't attract any of the bigger ones with any bait that I threw out. So yeah, maybe today will be different. And another one. Smaller one. But again on the kill baits. So that's fish number 2 on that bait. So not too shabby. Oh, dabba dabba dee da. No. Right. We are gonna try these are the next 2 baits, well, next 2 items we're gonna use to try and finish this tackle box challenge. This line might be too thin. Okay, let's try it anyways. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that yum kill bait again as a drop shot and see how that works. So just gonna wait here, I'm gonna set it up like this and see if we get anything from that. Now this is a very finesse setup I've got here. If I'm not mistaken, it's an 8-pound line, which I actually brought because I thought I was going to go fish one of the other club dams that didn't have that much grass. But let's see. Maybe I can come right. Snapped me off. Oh my word. So that just shows, don't use finesse line in a very grassy dam. That was a decent sized fish, and yeah. So guys, I'm going to try the jig that I got on the secret tackle box, and I've added like a craw bait. Can't remember from what brand this is, but I've added that craw bait. I've never really fished a white jig, so yeah, let's see if it does anything. And there's a nice fishy. I swapped out to the Savage Gear ribbed worm and got me a nice little fishy. Pretty cool. So this weight from BWG is holding up very nicely. Yeah, it doesn't slide down. It's pretty cool. Very nice concept. Damn it, get bigger! A little fishy. Again on the Savage Gear ribbed worm. Seems to be working perfectly. So guys, it's my day over. It's almost midday and I'm gonna get off. On the STB challenge, I only managed to get, I got a few fish on the yum kill shot bait. So I managed to get a few fish on that, and then I got one fish on the drop shot, the tungsten drop shot, and the little drop shot hook. Caught one, I think it was just off camera, and then the other one I actually snapped off, just seemed to be a decent fish. Very weak line, I shouldn't have used. And then the frog, I got a few takes but didn't get lucky. And then obviously the white jig, I just couldn't, with all the grass that was here, I couldn't get anything. So STB box, February box 1, Nuno Bassanator 0 or 0.5, because at least I caught on a few of the others. The whole day I was on Mojo rig and I was using those BWG split shot tungsten weights. Go through to BWG bluewatergear.co.za and get yourself some of those. They are awesome. The gummy stops, stop them where you want. They don't slide up and down, and you can quickly change weights without cutting line or anything, and you can go to a higher weight, lower weight. Very nice tungsten weight. Check it out and get yourself some. It's worth it. And guys, yeah, that's my day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you really like the videos, share them with your friends and family. And I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Next little outing will probably be Witbank Dam for the TBC, leg 7 it is, I think. So I'll catch you guys on that one. Cheers.